Ira Epstein with your morning flash update for this Thursday, the 12th of May, 2022, 8:35 a.m. Central Time. Well, another day, another huge drop in the stock market. At the same time, the panic mode is going on in the bonds and the notes. The Japanese yen, if I can show this, getting a solid bid. The dollar up. So you have a mini, whether you hear it on TV or not, these are all the makings of a market in a mini panic. And that panic gets money moving into different areas, and it's saying, okay, what do we do right now? Because it's a bear market in stocks. I've been telling you that for a long time here. Now, the news today, we should get to that. The PPI number, not as hot as yesterday's CPI. It was up 0.5. That's what they expected. Ex-food and energy, it was up 0.4. They expected up 0.6. It's having absolutely no impact on the market. April consumption was up, so the consumer is still there spending. PPI for March, the final demand was revised actually a little bit higher. That's sort of negative. In the jobless claims, you'll hear talk about this. People are going to get concerned if this jobless claims number keeps going up because it's the inflation hitting the corporations, the service industry, all kinds of different areas. And then all of a sudden, the job list starts climbing. You don't need quite as many people. You make do without. Be careful. That could be a thing. The EIA natural gas storage comes out this morning at 9:30. Department of Agriculture at 11 today will publish its very important WASD report. It's the first report for the brand new crop year. So to give us an idea what's there, I write about that and how the Russian crops are looking right now. And the Russian crops are big. Russia's going to use this Ukrainian war. In the Ukraine wars, right, where the Ukraine war that they're having, to grab market share of wheat from Ukraine. It's done so already in energy. If you don't believe me, if you see the EIA report, which I did in my full research today already, it talks about how the EIA was expecting up to a 3 million barrel a day decline because of Russia not getting anything like it, okay? So it's a much smaller number because India stepped in and bought their oil. Sweden, Finland. Well, today Finland declared it's going to make its bid to join NATO. Could be on Sunday that Sweden makes the same move. It has, of course, gotten President Putin irate. He's got an 800-mile border with Russia and Finland, and now they're going to be NATO members. It's the exact opposite of everything he was trying to accomplish. The man's war there, it has backfired in many, many areas. He'll say different, but if you're watching the economy there, the inflation and what's going on, that's what's going there. But it's not helping us either, because you've got stupidity going in China with zero tolerance. North Korea today, of course, President Kim Jong-un followed his goal, his leader, President Xi, zero tolerance. They're shutting down the cities in North Korea, going for the same thing. I guess what works in China will work there. Sure it will. Energy backing off a little bit today, especially the heating oil, natural gas. So that rally we got the past few days, you have to wonder about it. You got to wonder about a lot of things that are going on. As I said, the dollar going to weigh on the markets as the currencies get hit. Now, what this brings to mind, for me at least, is opportunity. And I'm looking at the currency trade, and it's been the best 2 months I've seen in years to be trading currencies, admittedly from the short side. My brokers can talk to you about this. This doesn't mean it'll stay this way, but you get this volatility and these markets telegraph things like the break in the stock market. In futures, going short's as common as going long. And if you learn how to work with it, it might fit into your type of trade portfolio. It's not for everybody, but for those it is. We give you the market analysis. You speak with brokers with decades of experience. We work with you, or you can trade on your own. Self-directed, we'll offer you phenomenal rates. And of course, the research we offer, I think there's nothing in the industry, nothing, to compare with all that we do at Linn. So if this sounds like something you want, all you need to do is give us a call, 866-973-2077. Be happy to talk to you about it, and at least get you some of the literature in your hands so you can make some decisions, be it discounted, self-directed, Or you want to work with the broker still at very, very competitive rates. Their time costs some money. I'm Ira Epstein. You might want to take advantage of that. Take care.